All right, so in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to change the background color in FL Studio. So you're just going to go up here in the upper left area here and click this icon, the playlist options icon. Go to view and then grid color. You can just pick whatever color you want. Say you want it to be green. Boom, now it's green. Pretty cool. That's pretty much how you do it. There's a lot of neat functions here that you might not be aware of, but definitely check some of these out. You can change the contrast. Sorry, actually, I think I missed there. You can change the contrast. I don't know why you would have that low, to be honest. You can change the I do this. I switch this to glass. I think it looks cool, but you can do like aqua or kind of see how it changes how the playlist items look. Solid. Okay, that one's interesting. That one's cool. I use glass. I don't know why, it just looks cool to me. And green is a good color for creativity, so it's not a bad color to use. Sometimes, I get bored. I just like switch this up and see what it do, you know what I'm saying? Can switch that up. It's cool stuff you can do in here if you didn't know. I'm gonna go back to 4 bars, so, and then I'm gonna go back to like I'm gonna try like this color. Yeah, that's a whole different vibe, isn't it? Colors create the vibe. I think blue and green are good for music production, but I don't really know. Whatever you're into. Anyways, before we go, check out our music producer resources. Go to slangrebeats.com, go to learn beat making. We have a starter kit, which I always share in videos. But there's also producer resources, which is fairly similar to the starter kit, but it's just like a lot of resources that we like to share. Kind of like a lot of free ones, some drum kits, pretty much a lot of things that can get you on your way faster. That's kind of our goal, just to kind of like teach what we know to you so you can kind of progress faster and faster than I had to, for sure. If you're new, definitely check out the starter kit. This one's dope. Recommended like hardware. It's a starter kit, but like, I mean, a lot. This is stuff that I use right now, like headphones. The headphones I use, the midis I use, laptop. My take on laptops, kind of our take on hardware, and I would say hardware is a big part of music production. So thank you guys for watching, and before we go, let's vibe out to this beat. I haven't finished making this. I literally just made this. Like, I haven't arranged or anything. But thanks for watching, guys. Let me know if you have any questions, and peace out. Peace out.